welcome back. Have you worked out your freedom number? What is it? From the catalog of options. If you haven't done so, go back to the first two videos, to the foundation and the step one, because remember, step one is the 80% of your subconscious mind that will guide you, that will be the GPS to your freedom number. We used an example in the last video, and we came to the freedom number of 119,500 per month. You might say, that's too much. I can't imagine how to get there. Don't worry about it, because the GPS has it in there and you will steer towards it. That's what your mind is supposed to do, and it will do it, provided you're healthy and sound, which I'm sure you are, because you're watching this video. Today, we will get into the 20%. The first would be how to gain control of your finances or your own bank. Imagine owning your own bank. You see, everything around us has a price tag. This has a price tag, this has a price tag. Your health has a price tag. The way you look has a price tag. Everything you do, even if you don't spend money on something, you're spending time and resources. Time, as we know, no one can give you back. Resources, maybe yes or no, but nothing is really for free. So having worked out the freedom number, most people, even though they earn money through different means, whether it's through a job, through a business, or through side hustles, or in any way, shape or form, most of them don't know how to manage it. Most are being taught how to get money, but not how to manage it. And managing money is one of the most important things, especially when you are an entrepreneur. So this is what we're talking about today. I will show you a concept that is called the poor person concept. Why poor person? No one should be poor, but people with that mindset have never been taught or can't be bothered with doing it correctly. So this is what a poor man's concept looks like, whether they are earning from employment or whether they are earning through business. So most people, when they start a business, they have their personal bank account. What they do is they earn from a job, from a side hustle, maybe from an online business and other avenues. The money is coming into that same bank account. Then they're spending it on different things. They pay bills, and then they end up with nothing. And then they have more months left than money to spend. They haven't done anything with savings. They haven't done anything to spend on the business. They can't spend on debt or to give or help. Forget about that, because they're saying, how can you do it when I don't have anything? What this concept here, the poor man's concept, what this leads is to frustration. People are getting scared. It's a liability and they're broke. And what this does is you feel that you have no control and you feel powerless. And that gives you what? Panic. So this is the poor man's concept, and this will not get you to your lifestyle. So this is wrong. I will show you now the rich man's concept. How do the rich people who have more money than months left at the end of the month, how they manage money? Once you do that, you will be set for life as an entrepreneur. Money is a tool. If you have tools at home and you let them sit there and they rust and you don't know where they are, what will you be able to do with them? Nothing. They won't be able to serve you. It's the same with money. If we follow the poor man's concept of managing money, we will remain in a panicked mode and in a disorderly mode. Disorder always brings panic. Just look at the news. If you have order in your life, you can sleep well, you know where everything is, you know how to deal with everything. It's the same with money. So I will be showing you what is called the rich man's concept. I am using the same concept. I found it very helpful for myself, and I will be explaining it very shortly. So, how does that work? We've worked out the lifestyle. Let's use this number, or you use your personal number of 119,500 per month. So, do not use your personal bank account. Go out there and get 6 bank accounts. In here where I live, we can have these 6 bank accounts for free. Where you live, you have to work out how it works. Maybe you can have sub-accounts in that same account. I know in some countries that's possible. But as an entrepreneur, so I'm not talking to you as an employee. If you are an entrepreneur and every income you have as an entrepreneur should go into one bank account, that's the 100%. From that, you have to divide at least 30% for the tax in a separate account. You don't touch this until the end of the year when you know what your accountant or your tax return says. You need to have 10% for wealth building. This is where passive income will come from. This is where you invest in silver and gold, or funds, or different means. But this has to stay. This is where your passive income will come from. Charity, that's very important, because charity diminishes your tax. 20% to the household you need to live, and 30% to operate your business. That's very simple. Can you see? 20% of being an entrepreneur is very simple. The other 80% that you have to work out here is extremely, extremely important. So please, if you haven't done that, go back to the last 2 videos and work on that, because this is very simple. But most people, unfortunately, will not do this. I suggest that you try it. It does work, but you have to be able to know where you're going so that this works. And you will see success, I promise you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Hit the notification bell for the next video. Please go in the description below. Check out the complete 7 Steps to Freedom course. It's very in-depth, and you will learn so much more, and you will understand the complete concept. Thank you for watching, and bring your finances into order.